Hey everyone, welcome back to the Kia Hyundai channel. My name is Gabi, and today in my Hyundai Tucson, we're showing you our search button. Now this button has been introduced for our vehicles with the new CCNC software, and on vehicles equipped with navigation, it does a whole lot more than your standard search. So let's take a look. It'll usually present itself as a physical search button somewhere within your media controls. So in my Tucson, it is right over here, and by giving it a press, it'll pop up our keyboard. What makes this search function special is it doesn't just look for navigation areas, it also searches within your vehicle's main unit. So if I'm trying to find something like my ambient lighting menu, I can type it in here. I can also type in my favorite fast food restaurant. So let's give it a try. First things first, we'll search a navigation route. So let's do the Linden Park Mall. Once I type in a few letters, it should pop up here with all of the suggestions. So that's helpful. If I press on that, it'll link me directly to that route, but I can also search for something like units. Let's say I'm doing a road trip and I want to change to miles per hour. I'll type in units here, scroll down a little bit, and then after the navigation guidance options, it'll show us within our setup menu. If I give that a click, it'll now jump me directly into that page where I can go ahead and tweak the settings I'd like on my vehicle. So this search function does a whole lot more than just your standard navigation search, and it does more than just your standard setup search. It does it all. It's pretty much Google for your car. Now, this doesn't mean stop watching the Kia Hyundai channel. We, of course, still want to have you follow along for more videos like this. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.